Hey guys, welcome back. Out here with Big Red. Have a little project planned for today. I'm going to be swapping out ignition boxes. Now, for you OG guys, you know that this used to have a MSD 6al programmable. I come out here one day, she wouldn't crank up, thought it was the box because it wasn't lighting up. Ends up it wasn't the box, it was the distributor. So anyways, another story. And then the Holly's back on here. I had a issue whenever I was changing jets in the thermoquad because it was super lean. So I bought some jets, and while trying to remove the factory jets, the piece of brass that's knurled into the body stripped out. So the jet was so tight I couldn't get it out without damaging the body. So for now, that's back on here. I don't know if I'll ever fix it or not, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the Streetfire box and tell you why it's coming off, and we're gonna replace it again. Okay, here's the Streetfire unit that came out of the red truck, and here's the MSD 6al-2 programmable. This was in the truck, and like I said, I thought it went bad on me, so I took it out and really just unbolted it and took it out. Everything's in here, so it's going to be a piece of cake to reinstall. There is a video from when I originally installed it. I'll put that in the description, so if you guys want to install one of these, and it also shows the computer hookup in that video. So this one though, this is the MSD Streetfire, and this was the one that I put in the truck back in 2012. So it's a good unit. It's lasted a long time. It only does your RPM rev limit, so you can only set rev limit in that one. This one has all kinds of programmable spark curves. I think it's got two-step. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. So the reason for swapping this is going to go into Mr. Jones because the Phytech fuel injection is going to take care of everything. So all I need is this. I can put this one back in the red truck in case I decide to do anything else, nitrous, turbo. Then I can account for the timing with this box. So another thing, just to kind of hit on this box, to use the programmable section or the programmable part of it, you have to lock out your distributor. But the distributor I found for the Valiant, this is Cardone rebuilt unit. This has no advance in it, so there's nothing to lock out in it. As you can see, I took the little window out. This is where the vacuum advance usually goes, and that you would be able to see the weights and the springs for the centrifugal advanced also. But that unit is ready to go, does not need to be locked out. That cost about, it's been a couple months. I think I paid about $50 for it from Rock Auto, and there's no need to buy an MSD in my opinion, but you do what you want. If you have a mechanical advanced distributor and you want to lock it out or limit the timing, which I've done in the red truck with this box, there's a part that 4secondsflat.com makes. It's called a timing limiter. It's a plate that goes in the distributor. I have an old video that I'll put in the description of me installing one on a 70 AAR CUDA. The video is not great, it's a little dark, but you'll be able to figure it out. So that's a good part. I think it's pretty cheap too, maybe 20 bucks, but it just takes a little time to take the distributor apart. Well, I'm gonna get started putting that MSD in. It's kind of getting dark, it's in the evening. But next up, I have to finish this up, get it in the car, and then start working on the exhaust side. So the outlet of the turbo. So that'll be next up, along with putting the Phytech on and trying to figure out the inlet for the Phytech. So just trying to make progress every week and get content to you guys, and hope y'all are enjoying the build. But I'm excited about it. It's getting closer. We're getting closer to fire up every day. So this was another part of it. So get the Streetfire on, the Phytech. I'm gonna have to put the battery in the trunk and start getting the wiring done. So she's coming along though. windshields in the house. So that's going to be one of the last things, make sure that thing doesn't get broke. But I'm really excited and hope you guys are too. Know this was a short video, but just trying to keep you guys in the loop and up to date. But this weekend, be right back at it. So I'll see you guys soon.